Hi guys, Porter's Head. Nice bit of wind here on the golf course, so we'll try the Space Shuttle Kite. I picked up in a charity shop the other day. Oh, this looks complicated. Different lengths. Oh gosh. Right, there we are. Space Shuttle. I'll go and try it. I've got it tied off on my dog chain thing up there, so I can walk back with it and unwind the line, and we'll find out whether it's tied off. Yes, it is. Okay, are we going to go up? No. Straight back to me. Adjustment. Not good. We were up briefly. Well, I've got the nose cone off. That seems to have helped a bit. The other option would be a longer tail on it to drag the back end down. I do have some tails in the car. Right, tail seems to be holding it better. I hope Nanny's filming it. Right, yeah, that's up there. I think all that extra tail is helping. There we go, Space Shuttle. £2.99 from the charity shop. Probably a bit more than that originally from Lidl or Aldi. Aldi, I think that was. do. Bring it in now. There we go, trying to get a selfie with that kite behind me. Can't even see it. Oh, there it is up there.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.